So this is class 2 maths chapter 1. You can see the picture and you have to write about the picture here. Number of dog, number of cat, fishes, cat and dog, and total number of parrots. So you can read from this picture and write here. Do it carefully. Next is how we will learn to add in groups. So there are 5 stars, 5 again. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 5 into 4. 20 total stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups and 5 in each. So 5 into 4, 20 eggs. Likewise, for the fishes and boxes you can do. There are 7 and 4 groups. So 7 into 4. There are 8 and 6 groups. So 6 into 8. Now you can see this picture and count the number of laddus. There are 10 laddus in one box. Likewise, you have to do 40 kiwi or 40 laddus. So 40 kiwi, so 10 into 4 makes 40. 50 kiwi, 10 into 5. 70 kiwi, 10 into 7. 80 kiwi, 10 into 8. And 90 kiwi, 9 into 10. So this is 9 into 10, 9 trays. Here you need to learn how it represents. This is 10 and these are single ones. So this is a group of 10. 10, 20, 30 and these are 9. So you'll match it here. This is 30 and 1. This is 30 and 3. This is 30 and 6. This is 30 and 7. So likewise you will do and match. This question can come in your exam. So be prepared. नेक्स्ट इज आपसे पूछेंगे कि कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो 10 के पैकेट्स में आती हैं. स्केच पेन, पेंसिल, नोटबुक, क्रेयॉन्स ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट. क्वेश्चन में बी आस्क्ड लाइक दिस. दिस इज 10, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. सो 2 ब्लॉक स्टिक्स, ब्लॉक हमारे, और 3 यूनिट है. यूनिट मतलब सिंगल. हेयर ऑल्सो 4 ब्लॉक एंड 7. सो यू विल राइट हेयर. दिस इज 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 47. Here also you will write, you will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 blocks, 8 units. So 68. Here you have to separate this block and unit. Block and unit. 8 block, 9 unit. 7 block, 6 unit. You can do like this. You can do the same question in this way. 42, 4 tens, 2 ones, 40 plus 2. 20 tens, 7 ones, 20 plus 7. 7 tens, 0 ones, 70 plus 7 tens, 0 ones, 70 plus 0. 4 tens, 5 ones, 40 plus 5. Likewise, you can do this. Can come in exam. Numbers in short form. 3 tens, 5 ones, 35. 6 10, 9 ones, 69. 3 tens, 3 ones, 33. Likewise, you can do. It can also be done like this. So this is 10, this is 10 and this is 2. So 22. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22. You can draw here. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 2. 42. You can draw here. 3 tens, 2 ones, 30 plus 2 is 32. Again you can write here. 4 tens, 3 ones, 43. 4 tens, 3 ones. Likewise you can do. I will show you how the questions can come. 65, 65. 36, 36, 94, 94. Circle the smaller number, you have to circle the smaller one. Circle the bigger, you have to circle the bigger one. Color the balloon red with the greatest number. Which is greatest here? So this you will color. Which is greatest here? This you will color. This you can do by your own. Ascending order. Ascending means when you go up the stairs like this. So this is ascending. Descending means when you come down from the stairs. So this is descending. बड़े से छोटा, छोटे से बड़ा. So you'll write which is the ascending order. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 18, then 32, then 40, then 72. Descending you will write 72, 40, 32, 18. So likewise you can do 69 pencils. If you wanna run away with me, I know. So in the next question, fill in the blanks with more or less. More means which is more. 69 or 60, this is more. So you will write more here. This sign indicates more. The mouth is open towards the more and the mouth is closed towards the less. सो बड़ा कौन है इसमें से, दैट यू विल राइट मोर. 7 इज इससे बड़ा है कि छोटा, यू विल राइट लेस. 46 इज लेस. 92 इज मोर. Fill in the blanks, one has been done for you. 39 is 20 more than 19. So how will you find out 39 minus 19? Here you need to do 97 minus 42. So you will get 55. So you'll write here 55. Likewise, you will solve it. Think and answer. Who am I? I have 3 tens, 0 1. So you will write 3 0. It is 30. I have 9 tens and 9 ones and 2 tens. So this is 29. My tens place has same number of arms in octopus. So 8 and 8. So it is 88. As the number of legs an ant has, I am 66. So you can write like this. और क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि ऑक्टोपस जितना है उतने मेरे टेंस प्लेस है, तो टेंस प्लेस में 8 आ गया और 6 इसके लेग्स हैं, तो द नंबर विल बी 86. बट द क्वेश्चन मे बी आस्क्ड लाइक दिस ऑल्सो बाय गिवन एग्जाम्पल. थैंक यू. कीप स्टडिंग.